By default, our panels are set up where if a screenshot or a whiteboard page is more than 30 days old, it will automatically delete it. I'm going to share with you how you can adjust that time limit. To start, select the Settings button in the top right-hand corner. From here, scroll down until you see the word Security. The second button there says Whiteboard/Screenshot Data Clearance. Touch on that, and then you'll see from here you can adjust the time limit. I'm going to tap on the circle next to 60 days and select OK. So now my panel is set up to delete screenshots or whiteboard pages that are 60 days old.